Good morning. Today we are going to start our review of Unit 14. We're going to do it in a 2-day review. So let's get started. We're going to start with our R-controlled vowels. Say them with me. A, R, car, R, O, R, horn, or, E, R, her, I, R, bird, U, R, burn, Good. And we're also going to review our vowel teams. A, I, beat, A, Y, play, A, E, jeep, E, A, eat, E, Y, key, E. O, I, coin, oi, O, Y, boy, oi. O, A, boat, O, E, toe, O, W, snow, O, W, plow, ow. O, U, trout, ow, O, U, soup, ooh. O, book, O, school, oh, hold on, sorry. O, school, ooh, O, book, U, E, rescue, U, E, blue, ooh. E, W, chew, ooh. A, U, August, A, W, saw, Good job. Leave those back there. So we are going to review stuff you already know, but just some things to remember for next year. So I'm going to write some words. I'll just use black for now, okay? And you're going to remember how we mark these words. So let's start with the word hill. What do you notice about that word? There's a bonus letter. So we put a star above the bonus letter. What are the bonus letters? If there's a short vowel followed by an L, an F, an S, and sometimes a Z, you get a bonus second letter, right? So we don't say l, right? It just makes one sound. These two L's make one sound. Okay. The next word is camp. Camp. What do you see in there? I hope you all said a glued sound. Am is a glued sound. Also sometimes called a welded sound. It just means stuck together. It makes one sound. Amp. So how I glued those two fingers together for the AM sound? Amp. Camp. Your next word is shred. Ed, right? Ed. Sh is an SH. Ed. Shred. And I'm saying each sound. Shred has what in it? A digraph. And also the makes one sound, sure, right? So that's a digraph blend. A digraph blend is when you have a digraph and another consonant that make one sound. Ed, shred. Good. What about and ch? What do we have going on in ranch? There's a glued AN and ch, right? CH says ch, and that is a digraph. Good. So far we have a bonus letter, we have two glued sounds, and two digraphs. A digraph are two consonants together that make one sound. And the last word is going to be drink. Drink. What do you see there? Well, we know DR is a blend because DR, even though it makes that j sound, right? Drink. It's a blend. And then ink is another glued sound. Good. Now, we're not marking it all the way. We're not marking the syllable type or the vowel, but we're just kind of remembering some structure of each word. Okay, so let's look at, now we're going to talk about syllables. So let's look at the word bat. Now I know some of you are going, Miss McQuillan, this is so easy. Why are we doing bat? Because I want to know, why is bat a closed syllable? What makes it a closed syllable? Well, we have a vowel followed by a consonant, and the consonant is closing in the vowel. So this is a closed syllable, a short vowel sound, and our T is closing in the word. Now, what if I take the B away? Is that still a closed syllable? Yes, it is, because you still have the short vowel closed in by a consonant. All right, so what about the word catnip? Okay, so let's break it apart. Catnip, we know it's 2 syllables. Catnip. Is this a closed syllable? It is, because we have a vowel closed in by the T, a consonant. Nip, we have our vowel, short vowel, closed in by the P. So this is a 2-syllable word, both with closed syllables. All right, so let's look at some other words that are, we're going to see which ones are closed and which ones are not closed, focusing on closed syllables. So I'm going to put them up here. So I've got the word thick, I've got the word up, she, and boat. Okay, so thick, is that a closed syllable? Well, let's take a look. We have our vowel closed in by a consonant. So thick is a closed syllable, and we can just mark it too. What about up? Well, we have a vowel closed in by a consonant, so it is a closed syllable. What about she? This word ends in a vowel. Is there anything on the other side of it? So it is not a closed vowel. And what about boat? Well, this vowel is closed in, but there's 2 vowels together. So if there's 2 vowels together, it is not a closed syllable, because what does OA say? OA, boat, O. It says the long O sound. So if it says a long O sound, it is not a closed syllable. It's a long syllable. All right. Great. Okay. All right, we're just going to do a couple more words together. Okay, so what about the word? We'll do spills. I don't want to use red. Use blue. And how about lungs? Okay, so we're going to mark these words. We're going to decide whether they are closed syllables or not. So spills, spill. So we need to underline our base word first. Circle our suffix, I followed by an L, right? I is our short I sound. Spill, so it is closed because it's followed by a consonant. And we have a bonus. Lungs. Base word, suffix. Well, that's a short sound. And it is followed by an NG. And UNG is a glued sound. Good. Okay. All right, we're going to talk about 2 words this week. And even though we don't have a spelling test, a couple more words for you to learn before the end of the year. So, all right, my sentence is, this water is called Pine Lake. This water is called Pine Lake. Now, Pine Lake is the name of a lake. So both the word pine and lake get uppercase letters. Okay. This water is called Pine Lake. Now, water is a funny word. I grew up in New York, so I say water. I say that A, wa at the front. A lot of people down here say water. Now, if you say water, that's okay, but make sure you spell it W-A-T-E-R. Water is how you spell it. This water is called Pine Lake. So that is one of our trick words. Our other trick word is called. And we know the word called, it says it's a trick word, but we know the rules for called. All, A-L-L, ball, all. That is a glued sound. And then called, E-D, is a suffix ending. Call, called. So this water is called Pine Lake. We're going to spell water and called. Let's start with water. Water. Okay, say water. Spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Skywrite water. W-A-T-E-R. Close your eyes and skywrite water. W-A-T-E-R. Good. And called. Called. Say called. Spell called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Skywrite called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Close your eyes and skywrite called. C-A-L-L-E-D. All right, very good. So remember, today we went over different ways to mark words, our bonus letters, our glued sounds, our diagraphs, and also we went over closed syllables, right? So tomorrow we will talk more about vowel, consonant, e syllables or long syllables and some suffixes. All right, see you tomorrow.